Hi everybody, today I want to show you this HKMLC Smart Board. This is the 55-inch. I have a temporary here. This is where I normally have my TV, but I really wanted to show you how good this is, because this is not only a TV, but this is a smart board. So I can play my TV normally like I'm doing right now, but then I'm also going to use it as my computer. So now I can use it as a touch. It's a touch screen. I can use it as a whiteboard, so I can write, and I can choose the different color that I want and the thickness. And one really cool thing is, look at this. This is the slot for holding your stylus. So you can hold the stylus there. You can clear all. I can write. And then the other side, I write in a different color. I can also clear, and then I can make it into 3 different areas. So I can write here and it won't cross. And I can write here and it won't cross. And I can write over here. This is great for presentations. This is great for playing games at home. And after that, you also have, like, you can set up, let me clear that. If you're doing, again, a presentation, you can create all of that. Just clear a grid, or you can have different shapes, 3D or 2D. You can do a circle, and you can do squares, rectangles, and you can do them also in 3D. This is great for if you want to, if you are a teacher, if you're in a business setting, you want to give a presentation, you can also use the internet. And so you're here on the email or your internet, and you can just right there go to YouTube. You can go to your email, anything that you want, and then you can just exit. You can access files. You can transfer really quickly from computer or your cell phone. It gives you a barcode that you can read and then just transfer immediately. And so of the files, again, if you have anything out here that you wanted to add, you can have it hardwire like I do right here, or you can have it with a Wi-Fi. It is 4K quality. You have Zoom, and you can communicate with and have a presentation with multiple people. They can see your notes here, and you can see their notes and what they're doing right here on the screen. You also have different lists of different items that you can choose here: stopwatch, calculators, timers, split screen, all of these different things. And again, you can go from here to the whiteboard, and it is great for, basically it's a computer, and all you're doing is just exchanging your computer with a TV. And you also have different inputs. So for example, on here, see, you have the computer, but you have up to 3 HDMIs, Type-C connector, and a VGA if you have an old computer that you need to connect. And again, it is really good quality wise, it's because it's 4K. You can have the audio, you can adjust all of that. See right here, for audio, the screen settings, and the display. Again, you can change it to different colors, warm or cold, or you can do your custom settings, and you have the quick settings and advanced settings, and it is very, very convenient. Again, sound is great. I love the fact that you can put your stylus there, but you can also just use, again, your finger. You can screen share from your phone or another laptop to the TV, whether you use the HDMI or just the software to connect. Comes with a remote control and a really nice manual. There is a ton more things that this can do that I just put it on, so I haven't even learned all this stuff. Has its own hotspot, so if you don't have any internet, you can use one from the cell phone or feed the cell phone from this hotspot. And also it has again, it shows you the system that you connected to the Ethernet, or again, you connect to Wi-Fi. And it is very cool, like I said, and you can use that from any side. You can open it over here too, as you can see, depending on where you're doing your presentation. But here at home, I think we're going to be using it a lot for Pictionary and playing. And again, we want to have Zoom meetings with our families. We have a big screen right here where we can have it all and watch it all. And great sound, plenty of connections. There's more HDMI's, Type-C, more USB. So if you want to connect your USB for either pictures or files or whatever you have, it's really convenient. Again, very easy to mount, and I couldn't say anything more than you have all the different languages. It's just a computer. It's basically a computer on your TV. And again, we can go back to HDMI 2. And perfect quality, perfect 4K. And so I hope that you guys find it as useful, as entertaining. And again, if you are a business person, a teacher, anybody that needs the actual computer side of it, it is highly recommended. And so I hope that you guys enjoy it and find it as useful as I am.